today's challenge is about sowing some biennial seeds. The special thing about biennials is that they take about 10 months from the time when you sow the seed to when they flower. So we're going to sow these in the summer of 2020, and they will grow slowly over the rest of the summer into the autumn, overwinter as small plants, putting down strong and healthy roots, ready to get going when the warmer weather comes next spring. This is a great thing for wildlife because the flowers will provide a source of nectar and pollen for the pollinating insects to feed on, and it's also great for humans because it gives that lovely bright spring flowers way earlier than anything you could sow in the early spring. So it's great for nature and great for people. So today we're going to be sowing just a few things. So mainly foxgloves. So we've got apricot coloured foxgloves, alba foxgloves which are white, and excelsiors which are supposed to be very tall. And then we're just going to have a few extra wallflowers because they're so great to smell in the spring. It's one of those wonderful scents that just remind you of being a child. So the idea is all of these will need light to germinate, so you just sprinkle them on fresh compost, lay them out in the seed trays. They don't need to be in a greenhouse, so I'm just going to use a bench here, and we're going to, in a couple of weeks they'll take to germinate, let them grow into small seedlings, and then when they're large enough to handle, I'll prick them out and pop them into small pots to grow on, and then in about September time we'll plant them out. And I'm hoping we're going to be able to plant them out in the wall garden in Clifton Park, the wildlife garden in Stafford Road, and then hopefully there'll be some to take home as well. So I'm planning now to produce these plants for the future, and I just think that's such a hopeful, special thing to do when all seems quite depressing with the news and we're not be able to see each other. But doing small things to bring about a bit of kindness really work well, and this is what we're going to be aiming for. I'll just show you the foxgloves. So these were sown this time last year. They've been flowering for about a month now, so they are past their bust, but you can see there's bees foraging on them still. I'll collect the seed in a few weeks when that dries, and we'll spread these as wildflowers as well. So hopefully you can join in with this little project at a later date. Okay, bye bye everybody.